rotisserie chicken, barbecue rotisserie chicken. Oh, did you hear that? I farted. I farted. It's so bad. Farted block. Oh, my stomach's been making noise. That's why I farted. I'm human too, guys. Okay, I farted. Okay, I'm not like a. You guys farted too. Good morning, guys. This is my routine every morning to look at the backyard if there is a bunny. But I saw a bunny hopping over there, and it's right there. It's not. It's in our area. It's on our yard, but it's on the other side. I'm just watching wings again. Wingsy, 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 wings. I'm gonna have a bread egg and let's see if my pandesal is still girl. Yeah, my pandesal is still here. It's not gonna go bad because it's refrigerated. And eggsy. It's like boring. If I'm in the Philippines right now, I'm having a rice, egg with it, or vegetables like a tinola. Oh, my husband texted me. It's probably I'm going to have over there. Oh, I forgot to boil some water. Over here, egg, bread, coffee. Not good for you. Yeah, egg, bread. It's nice to dance like this, guys. It helps my shoulder. Let me check up my two babies in here. I have two big babies in here. How are you guys doing tonight? Last night? Are you guys doing okay? Are you guys doing okay now? Are you guys doing okay? And I sound like an idiot. I'm just happy with my washing machine. I miss having a fried rice with tocino, tapsilog, tapsilog. What is tapsi, si, log. Log, I know it's itlog. Si is tapsilog. You guys tell me. I know there's the tapsilog is to make it the three foods in one plate to make it one word. Tapsilog. I know log is itlog. Tap, I don't know. But yeah, itlog, fried rice, egg fried rice, and tocino. Tocino or ta. I don't know. But yeah, every time I go back to the Philippines, that's my breakfast. Every time I stay in the hotel. Tapsilog.
Don't know how long we've been out here, and these nights are getting shorter. Like a energy I'll conquer in my soul. This is real. These nights are getting shorter.
Hi guys, I just came down, and oh my god, I forgot to wash the pan. I am going to do this steak, but it's still steak. I'm gonna cook this one, but it's still, how do you call that? Still frozen. So I guess I can't eat until it defrosts. I'm going to defrost it over here in the microwave. Defrost, and I put paper towel here like that, and defrost it. Defrost auto time. Okay, defrost. How about 1 pound? Start. I don't know, there is a fruit in the side in the backyard. I saw it when I put the paint roller pad. It's in there. I put it in there to dry quick. And I really want to use this tab, But I have to clean this up, and before I will use it, I'm gonna get something. Bubble bath. Yeah, bubble bath. Because I want to have a bubble bath. That's my lunch, guys, and this one I use this for that, and I have a lot of rice right here for my lunch, and yeah, Tabasco and steak and rice. Yes, that's my lunch. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I am I'm surfing YouTube and Facebook on my laptop, even though I don't have this. I don't have a Wi-Fi. I'm just doing the I'm using the hotspot on my phone data, and I hope it's still working while I'm filming. I hope, because I'm going to thank you to all of you. Good morning. Early this morning, I'm going to thank you to my subscriber and to the people who are always, you guys always here to watch my video, and always comments, and also subscribe my channel. We are 1,000 already, guys. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Yeah, we're 1,000 subscribers already, and I really appreciate of you guys. I'm going to say thank you to Maria Barque, Jeannie and Makeup Hi Sis, and to Jackie Hall, also to Lynn's Adventure and more. Thank you. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna do it here in bed because the internet is here and I can only do it here. So I'm gonna do it before I go downstairs to have my breakfast. So thank you to you. And Ken Thompson. Hi, Ken. Merly Talplacido. Hi, Merle. Thanks. You're always there from the beginning. All of you guys. Yeah, all of you guys is well when I was started. And Chel Prado. Hi, Chel Prado. Thank you. Thank you so much for comments. Pilo in the Philippines. Maria Lucero. Ginny Sakamoto. And Aurora Xiangzon. And also to Fee Morales. Kindy Wardrobe. Hi, Kindy. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the comments. Elena Cavete, Black Flag. Thank you, Black Flag. Offie, her name is Pinky. I think Pinky Offie Coloma, and Elena Morgan, and Vicky Erickson. Vicky. Good morning again, guys. I'm ready to go downstairs. Let's put this thing up here, and my phone is off. I turn it off. No one can call me. I kinda don't want to be bothered. Birds. Birds in the ground. My favorite. There's a lot of birds. Birds. Looks like alimokon. I don't know in Tagalog. But in the in the Mindanao, we called it alimokon. Is that alimokon now? Alimokon is different. How cute is that bird? Look at that bird. That's very cute. I had my breakfast. I'm gonna get my phone and let's see who called and who doesn't call, or maybe no one called. So I'm gonna turn my phone on. I shut it off since last night. Oh well, not. No, it's like 4 o'clock this morning. I shut it off. No one will call me a freaking night, so I shut it off. Let's see. This is the good thing about this room. Every morning, there's no enough light, and not the other room is kind of like very bright already in like 5 o'clock in the morning. Here it's still dark. You don't even know it's already like 9 o'clock. That's it. Wearing same top, same shirt. I'm good. This shirt is very tight. I don't even have to lock the button in it because it's very tight. I bought it like this. When I was in the Philippines, I bought it okay. Like okay, but this like it's not even, I don't close the thing. I just like it. I don't care. I'm in the house. It doesn't matter. My legs dead. It's just like, oh my god, it's crazy. Anyway. Oh, my day kind of sucks. It doesn't matter. I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Look, I'll show you here, from here. Look at that. Look, is that a fruit? That's a fruit, right? That one right there. I think it's a fruit because I remember it's Judy's time, Judy's life. Benji keep picking up fruits for their kids. There you go. And there's more right there. Look. It's a fruit, right? It's in the fence. Yeah, over there. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Tommy first if it's a fruit or what. Oh, a bird. Bird. That's so weird. Doesn't focus the thing. Focus the grasses. There you go. Oh, he's calling somebody. My things over here. It's a mess. Ooh, hi guys. Oh boy, hi guys. Yeah, I have a laundry right there. I wash it. I don't bring it up to the other house because we have the washer and dryer here, so I just wash it and wash it myself, and then I have to rewash it again. Oh, we have a dry food for the cats, and that's for the water. When we brought Hubs over here, I'm gonna brush my hair down here. Ooh. Anyway, I painted I painted the, I can see myself in there, the office trim. I still can't get over all the comments, guys, from you guys, from the other vlog, the one that I was, of course, emotional. I can't get over it. Thank you guys so much. You guys leave the nicest comments ever in my channel, and I really do appreciate it. I'm sorry, I am brushing my hair because it's wet. But anyway, I'm just gonna do a shout out. Shout out to Wina Faria. Hi Wina Faria, thank you for watching from Hong Kong. You always watch my vlog. And thank you so much for watching my vlog. Yes, hi to you. Have a good day. I've never been in Hong Kong. I heard Hong Kong is a nice place to go shopping, food, shopping. Yeah, it's nice to go there for shopping and food. Thank you, Wina. Thank you, Wina Faria, for the comments and for watching my vlog. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you. And also, hi to Marie D. Guzman. Thank you for watching. And also, hi to Jane Sidelis. Hi, Jane Sidelis. My eyes has been, I've been crying, guys. That's why my eyes is like that. I was crying. I just let it out to my husband. I kind of upset with him, and he's kind of upset with me. So we don't talk all day. And been trying to talk to him, trying to text him, call him. He's busy. I understand he was busy at his job, and it kind of makes us as a woman, we're very sensitive of everything. Like we feel like he's not feeling talking to me, he's avoiding me. So the whole day we don't talk. So this like 7 o'clock, 7:30, he tried to keep calling me. My phone has been off. I receive a lot of missed call, and when I turn my phone on, he kept calling me 3 times. I don't feel like answering until I finally answer it, and then we talk, and then finally everything is just the beginning is always like that. But when we talk, like 5 minutes later, we're fine, and then we're like, say sorry, see da 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 da, blah blah blah, love you, hate you, like whatever. Yeah, but everything is fine. It's just, guys, when you get married, everything is like this. It's just a freaking normal argument, fight. Don't talk for a whole day, and for sure we talk if he's here, we talk. But because he's working, we don't talk all day. It's kind of really hurting and upsetting. But yeah, it's kind of normal. It's normal. But if it's too big deal, like the fight is really big, don't make it so long, because you know what, it's gonna make it worse. When we have argument, we like talk, argue from the beginning, and then later on, after talking argument, let everything out. We like saying sorry, it's my fault. I accept, and he does too. We both does, but it takes a while before we have to let it out first, and then later we have to say sorry, and it's my fault. Yeah, I know. I did, just admit it. I do admit it because I know I did something, and then he admitted also because I did it because he did something. So yeah, it's kind of like that. And yeah, after that everything's fine, and everything. When you get, this is also what I noticed, when you're from argument the whole day or a few hours. After that, it's kind of very sweet. Like it's like, oh God, you feel the love. It's kind of fucking weird. It's kind of fucked up, but that's how reality is. So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna watch my show, and I'm just gonna chillax. I'm not gonna lie down yet. This thing over there is kind of hurting me. Like, the bed over there, the floor over there, it hurts me so bad. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch my show. Anyway, guys, I wanna say thank you again. Thank you for all the subscriber. I appreciate it. Really do appreciate it. Believe me or not, guys, I'm really happy. I'm still thankful, guys, of the comments that you guys left. I'm still talking about it. I can get over it. I can't get over it. You guys are so nice to me. I can't believe it. I'm so happy that I have a viewers that everybody has a viewers nice, and I had a viewers also that it wasn't nice. And there is most of you guys leave me a comments, and I'm so happy that you did send me a message. It left me up, the sun in the sky, whatever am I singing right now, like that. And that makes me happy. Thank you guys so much. Approve. Let's eat. You know what? You know what I'm thinking right now? I'm thinking, not andoks. The lechon manok, guys. The lechon manok in the Philippines. Senor Pedro, guys, you guys have Senor Pedro? I think there is one in, I found, there's a lot in Cebu. Senor Pedro is the best. A lot in Cebu. I always buy it in Bulacau. No, in Cebu, I always, where I always bought a Senor Pedro rotisserie chicken, barbecue rotisserie chicken. Oh, did you hear that? I farted. It's so bad. I farted. Oh my God, it's embarrassing. I will put that at the end of the clip. Anyway, I got it. I always bought a Senor Pedro rotisserie chicken in Bulacau, in Pardo, Bulacau. My stomach has been making noise, that's why I farted. I'm human too, guys, okay? I farted, okay? I'm not like you guys farted too. What? You guys farted too, believe me, you just hide it. Me, I don't care. I filmed it, I farted, you got it, okay? You got it. You farted too. Sometimes with a freaking it gets in it. Anyway, talking about rotisserie chicken, holy cow, farted and rotisserie chicken is a good freaking combination, but anyway. So, oh my God, again, there's no smell of it. When your fart is noisy, that means there's no odor, nothing. But if it's so quiet, that's very dangerous. Just like human, when you're quiet, you're dangerous. But when you're bubbly and noisy, you're fun. No stinkiness in it. It's like, this part is just like human. Okay, came out from humans behind. Whatever. About rotisserie chicken, guys. I'm sorry, I keep changing my. I have this problem, guys. Like I have to jump the other conversation and back to the other one that I left behind, and then I have another one, and then come back. I'm like that. But anyway, rotisserie chicken in Bulacau, Pardo. I got it. I always get it over there, and that's my favorite food in the Philippines when I was there. That's the food that I always buy. And in Davao, where I get it, it's in Panakan. That's the only place I can find Senor Pedro in Panakan, Davao. But also, when I was in the Philippines, the favorite food that I always eat also, when I don't go Senor Pedro, because it's kind of expensive, 100 plus, for a small chicken. Chicken in the Philippines is very tiny. Compared here, it's just like huge chicken. In the US here, it's huge chicken. Like, because those chickens is freaking injected. Like, it's been injected to get fatter. In the Philippines, it's tastier. It's small but tastier, yumminess, yumminess. But anyway, yeah, so the other food that I always buy when I was in Cebu, when I rent a boarding house, it's the one that people, in the outside of the house, they're selling food like fried fish, anything fried fish, like gulay munggo, like a vegetable soup or a bihon, anything like that. I buy that, and also. At night also my favorite, that's in the morning, because the kind people cook, and then in the morning they will sell it for people who eat breakfast, and everyone in the Philippines eat freaking breakfast, not here. But at night, if I don't get a Senor Pedro, I get a barbecue in the street. There is a line of barbecue in Bulacan, guys, across, it's not across, in Bulacan. There's like a City Hardware close across the City Hardware. Close to that, the bridge, there is a skywalk. Under the skywalk, guys. If you're from Cebu, that's where I always get my barbecue. It's so good. The barbecue there is so good. Yeah. Oh, in Cebu, Jovils. It all you can. I always go there also. Jovils. It's an eat all you can food. There's a lot of it. I went there 2012 with my aunts. We went over there because I like the food over there. Eat all you can. Good night, guys. I'm gonna call this a night. I'm gonna call it a night, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. And I really do appreciate it. I can't stop talking to you guys. Like, I'm so happy today. Even though today I'm so like pissed with my husband, but after I talk to him, and I'm also happy, pissed, and half is pissed, half is like can't get over the comments, and half is from this morning. There's a lot of halves, 150% now. So like the comments, and thank you for the subscriber. We're already 1,000, all of us, guys. Bye. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Peace.